This isn't my dog, by the way. This is Bella. No, this is not my dog. This is my friend's dog.
Yeah, it's my dog. It's my dog. Point the phone.
And also my other friend's dog.
It's my dog. It's our dog. Today we're gonna be seeing what she reacts to.
Where's she going? She did the complete opposite what you wanted to do.
The complete opposite of it. Girl, come on.
Let me throw it. Tug. Ah.
Tug.
Tug.
Tongue.
No.
Tug.
No.
Let her have it.
Okay.
Drop it. You see what I have? Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. You see what I have? Drop it. Drop it. Drop it, girl. Drop it.
She won't drop it. Oh, God. No. No.
Drop it. You see what I have? Drop it. Bella, drop it. You see what I have? Drop it.
Please, just drop it. Bella, drop it. No, it's already been a minute and like almost 50 seconds now. Oh! Bella, drop it now.
Drop it now. Now. Drop it, girl. Yeah, she does not like sharing. Drop it, Bella.
Yes! Got it, Bella. Haha. Bella, look.
It's a tongue.
Bella, look. Go get it. Good girl. Good girl.
This is a good dog. He knows how to protect herself. Right? Am I right, girl? Yeah.
We have about 10 seconds, so
Good girl.
yeah. In conclusion, this dog is a good girl. Sparky is too. He's a good boy too.
And
And he